Oh, hold on. You're pulling your guard off.
Huh?
You're pulling your guard off.
What are you doing here?
Get 37s, they said, it'd be awesome. So Heath, first time out in BT.
Yes.
New tyres.
New lift, new tyres.
You keen?
Yeah, as long as nothing breaks.
Heath has the exact same tyres, Max Treks, but in 33s, on brand new fuels,
Yeah, okay.
brand new suspension. Keen to see it. First time with a locker.
Yeah. Don't have to go sending.
Harry's got a locker actually. We just don't know if it works. Yeah, chances are looking at that thing, man, your locker's not going to work.
Probably locks one wheel.
So normal diff.
It just drives.
Yeah, so you've been working on this thing for a while, haven't you? Didn't have time to do that, obviously, but he bought it as an absolute bucket of poo, and now it's just a spade of poo. It's turned white.
I like your anti-rub mechanism.
Yeah.
Oh, is that from Superior?
No, that's
It's Dobinson.
that's
Obviously.
Fox.
Fox big boy stuff.
Oh, I figured out why I had a little bit of blow by.
Because it's got 500,000 Ks on it.
That might do it.
Dead set does.
No, that ran into the catch can. The catch can was blowing out the filter.
Yeah, the catch can was full.
So I just
you know.
ran that straight to atmosphere. And now
Yeah.
it doesn't.
So now you dump to ground.
Goes-
Motor-wise, it's great. Environmentally, horribly. Literally the first time he's driven it on the roads today. So we've got these bad boys aired down to, what was it? 15 pounds. So keen to try them out. They're pretty flat. The back one looks like a bit of a caterpillar, so pretty keen about that. Heath, you're down to 20. 20 pound, mate. So let's go on the tracks. A lot of people just went that way, so I don't know if we should go that way. So glasshouse can obviously be pretty hairy, so we're just going to take it easy today. Obviously I haven't set the bump stop, so I could destroy guards and all that on full flex, but we'll learn. So straight away, just coming down the first bit, we've got a fair bit of rubbing happening on these guards. I don't know how long they're going to last. Yeah, should be right. I can always buy some more. Just look how nice this is. So that's pretty big, that's really big. Gonna recommend not crossing up here either.
This is worse. This looks way worse. That's a decent angle you'll be on here too.
Yeah, I'm not driving that. Now I'm 9'10", so this hole's pretty big. Let's get the patrol up at 8. Catch you later, fenders.
Is he going to make it?
No.
Hold on. You're pulling your guard off.
Huh?
You're pulling your guard off. This whole guard's got
Pretty well stuck.
Yeah.
Harry's a pretty bad spot.
This is where locker.
Yeah, I need a locker.
Yeah. Just to pull you through there. What are you doing here?
Get 37s, they said, it'd be awesome. Pretty well stuck, ripping the fender off. If I go back, it literally just pulls the whole fender. If I go forward, I've got to drive the rest of it. So, bit of a predicky then.
So what's the plan?
The plan is get pulled forward, drive the rest of it. see a line here. But
Go like that.
a little bit minced. Well, mate, you're doing better than me.
Yeah, look, you got stuck.
I did.
37s, clear everything.
37s and beadlocks.
5 inch, you know, go anywhere.
15 pound, you could climb up anything like a caterpillar.
Yeah, how'd that go for you?
Yeah, not good. I reckon Heath first because he hasn't locked before.
The problem is that. Well, Sam's in front of me, might as well go now.
Yeah, may as well go, Sam.
Convinced
You're under the pump. Come on, Sam.
alright.
Oh.
Hi there.
Whoa. Hey, how are you?
Things here.
So we're currently at Glasshouse Mountain stuck. Well, we were stuck, but now we're about to get stuck.
I didn't know about that.
Yeah, no, weren't stuck.
Walked it.
Easy, mate. Because 37's
Like a
and beadlocks,
caterpillar.
they can do anything like it. What do you reckon Sam will do? At that bit.
Probably,
That's the pinnacle up there.
probably cross over here. I didn't even see that.
Yeah, you got a duck cord in your suspension. This-
Little baby.
Keep your tyre on the wall, Sam. Steer into it. Go right. Go right. Yeah, steer into that wall. You're all good. Is he gonna love tap it? Go. Bit of stick, bit of stick. Nice. You're next.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my goodness.
Now he's coming up in his BT50, brand new this thing, so he's a little bit worried about scratching the tub, but I've convinced him. I think I'll come up. I think I will, even though I'll mince me guards. Love your work, mate. Love your work. You're making automatics and diff locks look easy.
Spit good? Yeah, good. Hold that.
Keep your tyre on that wall. It'll keep you off it. Alright, party bus. I want to see mayhem, not cruising. Harry is crazy. He's going to try this hole that is literally like 10 feet deep. It's massive, so if he gets it, I'll be very impressed. He does have a factory rear locker, so he might do pretty well at this. Papa! You have to give it a bit of gusto. Yeah. Go in. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's too big. Alright, no go for Hasbaz. Bogan bus didn't make it.
Slippery.
How do you feel that one? Bummed out. Hey Sam.
Hi Tom.
I accidentally parked on this rock.
Yes. The rock.
I didn't see it.
On you.
I didn't see the rock.
Just a little speed bump.
Yep.
Nothing going on here, mate.
Just checking your door out.
Yeah,
What's that?
I got a leak.
That must be coolant.
Yeah.
Smell that, Sam. Check if it's coolant.
I just want to taste it. It's nice and sweet.
How did the 2020 BT go?
It's good. Really
Surprising.
good. Yeah, impressive.
Yeah, impressed with the rear locker.
Yeah, it works a treat. Makes it a lot easier to crawl.
That's sick.
Don't have to bend rack ends.
That's so cool.
That's awesome. How was your getting stuck and getting...
I didn't see any. I didn't. What are you
That
talking
didn't
about?
happen?
No. Obviously, 37s are massive, so they were rubbing like crazy up the top here. You can see it's taking the paint off. And obviously we damaged some of the fender. But that's alright, because I'm going to angle grind basically back there, and then we should be pretty good once we do the bump stops. Yeah, so Heathy has sustained some damage. He's pretty bummed about it. You can get your fingernail in that one, mate. You'll have to
Put a tune on it.
claim insurance.
Yeah.
Say it was a hailstorm or something. The Bogan bus went alright, didn't it?
Yeah, mate.
Yeah, so obviously sustained a little bit of damage, but all in all, Cole went absolutely mint. The 37s are sick, but I do need a locker, obviously, so we'll organise one of them ASAP, but for the most part, primo on the 37s. Dude, this fender's just rolled. Look at that.
Modified.
Oh, dude! I fucked it, eh? Kind of expected the 37s to mince the guards. It was just one of those things where I really wanted to go driving. But yeah, thanks for coming, boys.
You're all right, mate.
Alright, so I'll catch you later, eh? See you on the next set.